Well, I haven't shown you what I call my tub garden. Let me show you what they are and do a disclaimer at the very beginning here. These are fiberglass tubs, about 40 inches long, 20 inches wide. They are 6-7 inches tall, and everybody wants to know where I got them. And it was a one-time shot. Company was throwing them away. I got a bunch of them. Can't get any more. Got the bottoms cut out of them, and with that, they make a wonderful raised bed garden because that fiberglass. I've had them here 10 years, and so they just last a long time. Now, please excuse the weeds in between my rows. I plan on getting some of that black row cover probably, so I don't have to. My lawnmower won't get in between here, so I can't do that. Anyway, these are my zipper cream peas, and you can't tell, but they're well over 2 feet tall, and running and blooming and looking absolutely amazing. I was going to try to stake them up. That runner right there is 2 feet long. I was going to try to stake them up, kind of like I showed you on the corn the other day, because a couple of years ago they fell down. They got so tall and I guess so heavy that maybe the stalks weren't rigid enough, strong enough, and a lot of them fell over. Maybe a windstorm. I know it was after a rainstorm. But anyway, this is let me just show you. I've got one tub there. I have planted that thing 3 times and it has not grown anything, and I don't know what is wrong. So it's got the funk or something. Now right now, I planted some corn in it the other day, and it's just these peas have shaded it so much it's just not gonna come up. But before that, I don't know what it was. But let me show you the rest of the peas. So this is the other end of the row, and again, I've got a lot of crap in the walkways. Corn's looking good, but just look at the peas. I'll show you the corn some other day, because I've got to stake those up, support those from like I did the other corn. Now we're going to do this one, those a little bit different, so I'll show you that. I'll show you the corn next few days, but just look at the peas. And there's one place where they did kind of fall down already. I've got a family of rabbits living in here, but I mean, just look at these peas. It is just, they're up to they're well above my waist in places. Falling out here in the aisle, and should have a mess. There goes a rabbit right there. Every time I come out here, I jump 1 or 2 of them. All right, so let me tell you about the peas. These, I got a pound of zipper cream peas, which is what these are, from Haas Tools, and I thought that was enough, and it wasn't. So I didn't want to bother them again. So I had in my freezer, I had some zipper cream from, I want to say 2018, two years ago, and could have been last year, but I'm not sure. And planted those, and that's what these are. So I got a pound of Haas and a pound of my feed store peas from a couple of years ago. What I did, again, I showed you the tubs. Tubs are 20 inches wide, and I just went down in the middle of them. I've got drip tape, and I went row of peas with the drip tape in the middle, row of peas, drip tape in the middle. So they're getting watered twice a day, 5:30 in the morning, 5:30 in the afternoon, for about an hour and a half each. So they're getting plenty of water right now. And I'll have to show you that next week. I've got my Haas fertilizer injector system going with some of their water-soluble 20-20-20, and that is that's one reason they look like this. They're going just ape doo-doo. Everything I got's going ape doo-doo. So Just want to show you the peas. This is might be the place where they fell down. No, I just kind of stunted a little bit. No, they did fall down right there. Can't really tell it on camera, I'm sure, but you can see there's kind of a hole right there. And they just they kind of collapsed. I hope they don't do that and collapse out in the aisle like they have in the past. I hope they stand up straight, like my daddy used to tell me to do. Boy, you straighten up and fly right, or I'm fixing to come after you. Go cut you a switch. Anyway, most of y'all been there too. But look at the peas. Zipper cream peas. I have purple hull planted in the dirt. These are in my raised bed garden, my tub gardens. Again, show you the tubs. No, you can't have any. Okay? I'll put a link to them under the video just so you can look at them on Amazon. But you're not gonna want it. It's too expensive. All right, I think that's it. Fixing to have to pull the onions. Onions are just about done, and I have got some good ones. I mean, some softball and bigger. So excited to pull them. I didn't think the onions were gonna be very big, but they look marvelous. So I'll do the corn in the next day or two, show you what I'm doing there, show you the corn, tell you about it, what it is and all that. And then, but I want to show you the peas. They are looking good. Peas, peas, peas. Peas, peas me like I peas you. All right, that's enough. We're gone.